If you're anything like me, you might be a little bit worried, maybe a lot worried, about COVID-19 coronavirus, or the Chinese virus, or the Wu flu. China might be even worse than I thought. The timing of this virus just seems awfully strange. They knew about it in December. Maybe they didn't know how bad it was, but I think that some of the government there was aware that this was going to be a problem. They did nothing, they alerted no one, and they silenced the whistleblowers who actually did say something. The whistleblowers were worried that this could be really bad. China shut them up. And then, for 2 weeks, we heard basically nothing about this. Maybe some rumors, but it really wasn't well known. And then we start finding out little by little videos escaping out of China. Widespread chaos, panic, and epidemic happening in China, still unconfirmed by China. We finally find out that there is a virus. We give it a name. It finally has a name. We're aware that there's something going on. A couple of days later, we hear this is an outbreak, an epidemic. People are dying in the streets. Not enough hospital beds, not enough masks, not enough food, not enough medicine. And we literally had a couple of days to realize just how big this was, because China didn't tell anyone. And do you know what happened? Chinese New Year. Seems awfully convenient that this is a time period where Chinese people are celebrating Chinese New Year and they travel all around the world. All around the world. What better way for China to unleash chaos, financial ruin, instability, you name it. What better way to do that than to make your own citizens, unbeknownst to them, your own form of global warfare? Just send them off. Who knows where they're going? Some are going to Australia. Some are going to Canada. Some are going to Italy. Some are going to Iran. Some are going to America. All over the globe these people went. And they came back and they had no idea what was going on still. Not until they got home. But while they were here, they were carrying it. And they had no idea. So it spread. It spread everywhere. Thankfully, our president took action in the very beginning. January 31st, he implemented a travel ban. And this travel ban would make it so that no one could come into our country. At least not, maybe with some exceptions, but most people could not come into our country coming from China, coming from Iran. This was a move that was very controversial, especially to the Democrats. They basically said he was racist for trying to protect the American people and to keep us safe. That's what happened. They said that this was racist to protect us. He's protecting us. How is that racist? If it's racist to protect us, I really don't know what to say. Do you want to be safe or do you want to be PC? Joe Biden himself said this was xenophobic. I wonder what he would have done had he been the president. I wonder how sick everybody would be. Even the WHO, they criticized President Trump for doing what he did. The World Health Organization criticized President Trump for limiting travel from one area where there was a pandemic happening to an area where there wasn't. The World Health Organization, figure that out. The CDC, Dr. Fauci, said that this travel restriction was one of the main reasons why America is in Italy. Why we don't have nearly as many dead and sick as other countries have. Because of what our president did. I think they were hoping that this virus and the outbreak would be the thing to finally bring down the president, since they had no answer for such a boom in the economy. They didn't know what to do. So this is like the perfect opportunity right here. Take down our economy, take down Trump. Do it at all costs, right, Dems? Right, Swamp? Now we have to worry about the House passing bills behind our backs that could potentially limit the president's power to keep us safe. And they also have the mainstream media right in their back pocket, constant coverage of the coronavirus, so they could spread mass panic, make people afraid and less confident in our president. That's what they're trying to do. They want this. They want wall-to-wall coverage, and they want people freaking out. Don't let them win. These people are evil. They should never be in power. We need to be safe. We need to be smart. We need to use our heads. Follow the CDC guidelines. Take care of your family. God bless America, and God bless you.